do it as neat as possible. Balance. If you're seeing this and you're Jamaican, you know this is not a cookie jar.
This is who I am. The good and the bad, the mess, the beauty, the joy. And that's what I have always been ashamed of. And now it's like, you know, it's like that saying, the privilege of a lifetime is being who you are. Ooh.
What's up, Jams? Welcome to today's DUI tutorial. I know I look crazy, but that's not what we're here for today. Today's actually 1 week away from my birthday. I have a shoot scheduled for Tuesday. Today's Saturday, by the way. I have a shoot scheduled for Tuesday, a birthday shoot scheduled for Tuesday. This is a big birthday, of course. So I ordered this dress online. It's a simple black bandage dress, very thick material and grabs and grips you in all the right places. But I wanted, to add my special touch to it and just zhuzh it up a little bit. So today we'll be adding a skirt, a tulle skirt to this dress. So stay tuned to see how I get that done. Okay. So this is the dress on. I can't fully zip up the back because anyways, this is the dress on. It grips you and sucks you in all the right places. Anyways, I have this skirt that I bought, that I got with an outfit that I bought last year. So I thought it was easy. Initially, I was going to go with a black tail skirt, but I thought, why not add, like a pop of color? And then I was just messing around, and I don't know, I kind of like how it looks with the white tail, so I'm gonna go for it. I don't normally go for these things because I'd like to say that I'm simple, and I don't like excitement. I really don't, especially around me. So I was gonna go with black, but I decided to go with the white. And when I tried it on, I liked the look, so I decided to, use this as a base. And I went to Pins and got, this is 5 yards of tulle. I watched a couple of YouTube videos, and when I was watching those videos, they kept saying that they use tulle to do the skirt. Initially I thought that this was tulle, but it's really not tulle. This is more like mosquito knit. It's very thin and just flowy. This probably looks the same, but it's not. This is a little stiffer. Not a little stiffer, this is a whole lot stiffer. So even when I was in Pins, I was wondering, am I buying the right thing? But knowing me, I always find a way to make everything work. So even if it's not, I'm gonna spin it and make it work for me. So I bought these 5 yards of tulle. From the videos I watched, they use 10 yards, 15 yards, 20 yards, and I'm like, what? Oh, this is $150 per yard. They have different types of tulle. They have some like sparkly things on it, but they didn't have any white with sparkle. And even if they did have white with sparkle, I'm not sure that is for me. So this, if you can see, this doesn't go fully around. It's just like that. So this is just the base. What I also got in Pins, if you're not Jamaican, Pins is a fabric store. I got glue stick and elastic band. If you don't have one of these already, what you can do is just use the elastic band by itself, and then I'm going to show you what we're doing. This is my first time doing it. I watched a couple videos, I have an idea in my head of what to do. So we're gonna do it together and see the results. I also wanted, you know, to like add some detail to one of the sleeves, like probably this sleeve. Like, I don't know, to do something with it, you know, add something to the sleeve, but we'll see how that goes. The main focus of this video is to do the tail, the skirt. I keep saying tail. And I have a glue gun, and if you're seeing this and you're Jamaican, you know this is not a cookie jar. So I have my needles and threads and stuff in this, and I'm gonna keep it close by so we can get to work. Okay guys, so what we're gonna go ahead and do, I hope you guys can see, is we're gonna take our elastic band and we're gonna measure right around where the skirt will go. Right? You don't want to make it too loose. You don't want to make it too tight. So we're just gonna measure here, the narrow part of our leg right here, where the fishtail would start. So we have it right here. And we're just going to go ahead and cut that. We're going to go ahead and just cut that and sew it closed. Right, so this is the band. We're just going to go ahead and sew it closed. You can use the glue gun if you choose. Or you don't want to use the glue gun, but you know, like this is an example, and at least try to do it. At least try to do it as neat as possible. Otherwise, oh my God. You know what? This is a sign. This is a sign that I really should just be using the glue gun. Alright, let's go again and knot this thread. Alright. Go ahead and just close that up. You don't want to make it too tight. Let's just close that up. And this is the band that we'll be using. Right. Not too tight, not too close. Alright, so we're going to use this table. Just okay. And then we have our tool. And what we're going to do with the tool, guys, I've never done this before. I'm not a seamstress, I'm not a dressmaker or anything of that kind. I'm just a craftist. And I just do things how I think they should be done to get the result that I want. So this is 5 yards of tool, and the length, based on the length that I want. So, alright, based on the length that I want the skirt to be, to show you how much of a seamstress I'm not, I don't even have a tape measure. I had one, I just don't know where it is right now. Alright. Let me move you guys a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. Okay guys, so based on how long I want the skirt to be, I'm trying to measure this to see where I should really cut the tool. I think I should really start this length. Okay. This isn't too bad. This isn't too bad. Alright, so for the tool, we're just going to fold it in a half. Fold it in a half. And you see, fold it in a half. And we're just going to be cutting. Right? What we're going to be doing is to just tie it. Just going to be tying it to the rubber band. Okay, so we're done. It's like we've been needing a lot more material, but let's see. We're just gonna go around and tie these on. So good. So this is it. This is the skirt. It's not even thick and fluffy like I would want it to be. See how this is the dress. I'll be right back, guys. Okay, guys. Let's try on the tail. The tail could be a lot more fluffy, if I'm being honest. What? So guys, this is it on. So what you guys think? So what do you think? Am I photo shoot ready? I want to do something with this. I don't know, something new to accentuate the top. Or something with the sleeve. I don't know it. But we'll definitely see. Anyways, we'll definitely see. I'm going to do some last finishing touches on it. So, just neat and fine. Comment below and tell me if you would wear this and what are your thoughts. I need some more work in the back, so I'm going to add some more tulle. I'm going to add some more tulle to the back and a piece of fabric to the back because I have to take a photo from the back. Yeah. this is it, guys. Thanks for watching. Come back.